Welcome to Tech Blueprint, a window that lets you know the latest technology news in the world. Back then, the Chinese auto industry exchanged market for technology, which led to the development of Chinese autos. However, today, it is Europe's turn to force Chinese autos to enter the European market and exchange technology. This is really ridiculous. Has Europe fallen to such a level? China's technological leadership is thus proven. Europe has increased tariffs on Chinese electric vehicles. European Commission President von der Leyen said that this is to deal with market distortions and unfair competition to protect Europe's auto industry. However, if you look back at previous European measures, you will find that the purpose may be for the technology of China's electric vehicle industry. According to foreign media reports, Europe required Chinese auto companies to submit a number of core technologies, including battery formulas, in June this year, on the grounds of investigation, and even detailed the amount of various raw materials, such as graphite and iron used in lithium batteries. This is completely asking Chinese auto companies to hand over the core technology of batteries. In addition, Europe had previously established a battery company, Nordvolt, which was invested by Volkswagen, the largest automobile company in Europe. BMW was also its customer. However, after several years of operation, Nordvolt fell into a dilemma. Volkswagen found problems with the batteries it purchased from it. Nordvolt said that it would take 2 years to complete the battery order for BMW. In the end, BMW quickly gave up. Now Nordvolt has filed for bankruptcy protection. Nordvolt's dilemma is a major blow to Europe's new energy vehicle industry, because Europe established this company to achieve a zero breakthrough in the battery industry and get rid of the dilemma that Europe's new energy vehicle batteries need to be purchased from battery companies in China, Japan, and South Korea. However, Nordvolt's application for bankruptcy protection means that Europe's efforts to develop the new energy vehicle industry have failed. Nordvolt not only bears the heavy responsibility of supplying lithium batteries to European local automobile companies, but also bears the heavy responsibility of developing solid-state batteries. However, after it fell into a dilemma, it means that Europe has also stopped in developing solid-state batteries, which will be fatal to its future new energy vehicle industry. In this way, it is understandable why Europe has increased tariffs on China's new energy vehicles. The purpose is probably to put pressure on the Chinese auto industry and urge them to disclose the core technology of batteries to Europe, so as to break the gap in the new energy vehicle industry for Europe. Europe is one of the world's 3 largest auto markets. The other 2 are China and the United States. Considering the special factors of the US market, Chinese cars are currently mainly opening up in the European market, so the European market is very important. More than 40 years ago, the Chinese market opened the door to European auto companies such as Volkswagen. At that time, the Chinese industry hoped to learn the technology of automobile manufacturing. After all, the gap between the Chinese auto industry and European auto companies was obvious at that time. Who would have thought that in the new energy vehicle industry today, the European auto industry would actually learn Chinese technology and use such unbearable means to try to obtain technology, which is really shameful. Data from 2023 shows that 60% of the world's new energy vehicles are sold in the Chinese market, and China manufactures about 70% of new energy vehicles. Among the top 10 power battery companies in the world, 6 are Chinese companies, 3 are Korean, 1 is Japanese, and Europe is blank. Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes-Benz and other European companies all purchase batteries from Chinese battery companies, which makes Europe quite uneasy. However, Europe's attempt to obtain technology in this way is a bit ugly. Why can't Europe, which has always emphasized market freedom, cooperate with Chinese companies in more reasonable measures? In short, Europe is trying to force Chinese cars to enter Europe to exchange technology, but it is actually coveting Chinese electric vehicle technology. European battery company Nordvolt went bankrupt, and the new energy vehicle industry suffered a setback. China accounts for 60% of the global new energy vehicle market, and Europe is uneasy, but the means are embarrassing.